Today I share with you how I made this delicious and mouth-watering donut recipe. My first time trying this recipe, it was everything I need to try ever and ever again. It was easy to get done, it was so crunchy, the center, it was so flavorful. I just love the process I used to get this recipe done. So sweetie, let's dive on this video. To begin, I'm going to be needing all-purpose flour. Next to adding is egg. Next to adding is salt. Next is to add in is sugar. Next I add in is yeast. Next is to add in honey. Then add in milk. After adding all the ingredients, all I do is to massage everything together. I'm going to be massaging that until everything comes together. So at this point, we are going to be adding the oil. So this is the last ingredient, that is oil. So now I'm going to be adding the oil, then keep on mixing. So in the process of mixing, I noticed that we are not going to get it done here. So it's better we transfer that to the wall surface so we can work on the dough very nice. I proceed by giving that a very good mix. So this is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes for you to work on the dough. After getting that done, this is what they look like. So at this point, I'm done mixing that. It was so nice at the same time. It was soft and then come out perfect. Next to do is to demarcate the dough into little bites, like normal small shape. Okay, so just use my cutter to cut that. Then after slicing everything this shape, so what to do is to use my hand to tie that just like this. So I just roll everything around like this. So once I get that roll, next for me to do is to transfer that back inside this plate. Next thing I'm going to do is to use oil to grease it around like this. So once I get everything greased around, what I do now is to take one of it, so take it to the wall surface and then keep the rest aside. Over here we have this plate. I'm going to be using that to save the dough before I get that fry. So I first of all grease it with oil and then keep it aside. Over here is one of the dough I take, and then I'm going to be rolling it with this my roller. So once I achieve this shape, what I do now is to tighten it this way. So this is just how I'm going to tighten it, just a normal rope line like this. So just try to make that too tight, just roll it a little bit like this, the same way I'm rolling mine. You can just follow my hand. So once I get that achieved, so next thing is to tag edges like this. So just use your hand to tag everywhere around. So once you get that tag, then you are going to roll it again so that is going to long, just normal rope like this. Okay, so once I get that achieved, this is how I'm going to get that cover, like wrap it. So wrapping it, I just have to turn it around like this and then tie it at the center and cross it the other side just like this. It was just so simple. Follow my hand, you are going to get this done the same way mine come out. So once it reach the two joints, I'm going to just tie two of them together like this, and then you have it. Just so simple, as you can see. So this is how I get everything wrapped, and then we have it here. At this point, I'm done wrapping everything, and then I'm going to be covering this to rest for 30 minutes before I get that fry. Over here we have oil. This is hot oil. All I do now is to add that inside the oil and then fry that. So sweetie, have you shared this recipe? Like, have you shared? This is so beautiful to try. This recipe was so amazing. You are going to love the flavor. Just go and mix it like this. Follow this process to get this done. Like, you are going to eat as if what is happening. It feels so perfect for me. It was so mouth-watering. I just love this donut. My first time trying it, and I just love every bit of it, and that is going to enable me to do more of it. My kids love it so much, and I don't joke with any snacks that's my kids love. So this one has come to be one of it, and then I'm going to be getting it done for them. So at this point, I'm done frying that. It fries so nice. I just love the color. So I want to fry everything at once, so you can fry yours twice if you are making use of my measurement. So at this point, we're done frying and it come out perfect like this. Oh my goodness, I just love this. See the shape now, like, oh my gosh. So next is to add in this milk powder, so that is going to enable that to look more yummy for us to enjoy. So I grease everywhere around with the milk powder like this, and then we have it. So sweetie, all you need to do is to share. You need to try this gorgeous. Oh my god, see how gorgeous that look. You need to try this for your family. So if you're a smart person like me, what are you waiting for? Save this video, just follow this process to make this gorgeous snacks. You are going to eat it as if wetin dey happen for here. It was so delicious. The taste, the flavor, every bit of this donut is so perfect. You are going to love it when you follow this process to wrap it at the same time miss your ingredient the same way I miss mine. You are going to appreciate yourself for getting that done. I'm going to try more of this because it was so delicious. I love you guys. Don't forget to share for others to see in my next one. Bye bye.